Smaller towns across Texas are struggling just to make ends meet. Sometimes planning goes by the wayside because smaller towns have to address immediate concerns, and sometimes current planning gets more attention than long-range planning. Thankfully, there is a program like Texas Target Communities that can reach out to these smaller, less resourced communities and offer them such a great product. We had just gone through Hurricane Harvey. We're a coastal community, so making sure we are resilient to future disasters, particularly in light of Hurricane Harvey. The comprehensive plan is the guiding document for development in any community. That's the vision of what we anticipate our community turning into in the next 20 years is usually the time frame. Any decisions that policymakers make in the future, they need to look at that comprehensive plan document that will guide city council members or commissioners. It was a pleasure working with Texas Target Communities. They are a fantastic group of brilliant people, and they really have a love for small communities across Texas.